from Bianca's Life, and today I'm going to be doing DIY slime. I'm going to be making butter slime and just butter slime for now. Maybe in my future videos I'll make more, but that's it for now, so let's go. So first what you are going to need a spoon to mix it. You're going to need a bowl. You're going to need clear glue, and you're going to need Model Magic or whatever type of clay. You can make it any color. So first what you're going to want to do is and you're also going to need activator, contact solution, borax or you can also use hot water with borax, and you can dissolve that, and you can use that as contact solution too. But you're going to take the clear glue, and you're going to put the desired amount of glue in the bowl. After you put the glue in the bowl, you take the activator, and you can just go ahead and put it in until it has its shape. After a little while of putting the contact solution in, I realized it wasn't working, so I added some foaming hand soap and some shaving cream, and it turned into fluffy slime, but it'll still work, so you can do that and mix it all in until it gets clumpy. So after you do that, you're pretty much good. Now you add in the clay. Take a good amount of clay off and stick it in, but before you put it in, make sure it is nice and kneaded so that the slime won't come out hard. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I make a new video. And I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed, and you can also do this yourself. And I hope you guys enjoyed. So I'll see you next time. Bye.